Hey, in the editor window, you have a top menu, which is split into the content editor and the top analysis. In the top analysis, you have information about competitors mainly. Then information about the keyword that we are aiming for, the language, the market, and target URL. If you have already target URL, you can define this target URL, or you can find a target URL that we will show you this later, how to find a best target URL for a specific keyword. Then in the left side, you have just an editorial window. So this is just a text editor when you can write the text, when you can generate the text. You can generate as well the meta titles, meta description, and you have information about the content length, content readability, and so on. Also, those operations here, like export, save, draft, mark is done, they are really related to the information which are in the text editor. Then in the right sidebar, you have a content score section, which will give you your current content score, uh, competitors' scores, and we are here presenting the medians of the scores from top 1, top 10, and also the competitors that you choose. A checklist where you can understand from where the content score is and how it was calculated, and what to do also to bring the content score up to the maximal optimization, and also the content terms in the sidebar. So the content terms in the sidebar are divided into two sections: terms and headers. So we already proposed you the terms in H1, H2, what kind of terms should be there, and terms and articles, which are in two sections. So the basic sections means this is like really very basic vocabulary. You should just use this as much as we propose. And then you have also the extended vocabulary. And the extended vocabulary means that if you use these words, that it will extend your topic. So it will be, if you are thinking about it in Google Eyes, and we are talking about the expertise, this is for the expertise. So they will really understand that you know what you are talking about. Okay, and then here you have some ideas like, okay, what should I, or questions like, what should I cover, how the competitors cover it, and also you can get YouTube ideas to understand what are people talking about. Yes, like for example, here you have a very good review, top 5 women's shoes 2022, and so on and so on. So as you can see, there is a lot of materials which can be helpful for a copywriter to understand how to write the content. And also, if you have your own channel on the YouTube, it will be also very helpful to place the right videos into the articles, into the content that you are writing.